students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. So tell me, what is day today? Look here, what is day today? 1/4/14. Today is 14th October. What is day today? Today is 14th October. What is day today? Today is Wednesday. Now all of you say, today is Wednesday. Very good. Repeat. Today is Wednesday. Good. Now today our subject is English and day 46. In English today I will tell you how you have to write letter G and letter S. Already you have done all these two letters, but today you have to do the revision and more you have to do the pages of your English book. Okay. So first I want to show you this letter. Tell me, which letter is this? Look carefully. Which letter is this? See how I am doing? This is letter G. Again I am pressing my finger. Look carefully. Letter G. G for goat. G for goat. Now look here. On dot, first you have to make a curve in this way. This is letter C. Which letter is this? C. Now, from this point, I will go up and then one small sleeping line. Now, this is letter G. G for goat. G for goat. Now, see. Look carefully. Again, I am going to place finger on it. Tell me, which letter is this? Letter S. Which letter is this? Letter S. S for ship. Can you see the ship? Ship. S for ship. S for sun. S for sun. Okay. Now, show me your two fingers. Now, make up this. Now again, do like this. Letter S. Again, show me your two fingers. Priya, all of you, show me your two fingers. Now, make up like this. Now, we will go opposite like this. This is letter S. Letter S. S. S for sun. Now students, see page number 22 of your English book and page number 23 that you have to complete. First, finger trace the letter G and color it. Now here you can see letter G. You have to trace your finger on it and then you have to do color in it. G for goat. G for girl. G for gate. G for gift. Now see this, cross the object that does not begin with a G sound. G sounds is G. G sounds G. 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 Gift. G. Goat. G. Girl. And what is this? This is honeybee. So what you have to do? You have to make a cross on it. Fine? Now see this. Name and circle the things that begin with G. Here you can see a picture. You can see a picture of sun, goat, grass, duck, tree, girl, grapes, gate. So what you have to do? You have to name and circle the things that begin with letter G. G for goat. So you will mark a circle on it like this. G for gate. Put a circle on it. G for grapes. You have to put a circle on it. So in this way you have to also complete this page now. See this one, trace and color. Can you guess what is this? Yes, grapes. So first you have to join these dots and then you have to do color in it. Which color you will do in the picture of grapes? Green. G for green. G for green. So green color you will do in the picture of grapes. G for green, G for grapes. Now see, this is page number 54. Finger trace the letter S and color it. First you have to take your two fingers and then trace on this letter S and then you have to do color in it. S for sunflower. S for sun. S for socks. S for swim. Now cross the object that does not begin with an S sound. S sounds is S. All of you do like this. S. S sounds S. S. Socks. S. Sunflower. S. Spoon. But what is this? Car. So you have to make a cross on it. Now come to the side. Find the given objects in the sack and tick them. Now here you can see a sack and in this you can see many objects. Okay, so what you have to do, find an given object in the sack and tick them. Now this is, you can see this bangle here also and in this sack also. So you have to put a tick mark. Here you can see a doll and here you can see a doll. You have to mark tick on it. A ball you can see outside, so in the sack we can also see a ball. So mark a tick. In this way you have to complete this exercise also. Now trace the patterns left by the soap bubbles. Make few on your own. So here you can see S for soap and here you can see bubbles. First you have to join these dots and then you have to do color in it, and moreover you can also make some bubbles by yourself like this. Understood? So in this way you have to complete page number 54 and page number 55. Complete your work, click the photograph and send it to me. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.